in order to determine the revenue GL account, there is one single transaction that you should remember, and that transaction code is VKOA. VKOA is a transaction code where you will be able to maintain the account determination from the sales and distribution point of view. Right? Similar to in MMFI, we have a transaction OBYC. In SD, we have a transaction VKOA. Okay. And in VKOA, what we need to do is we just need to ensure that this combination, see the combination here. The combination is the account is missing for this particular account determination step. So these are the different combinations. You can see sales organization is RECH, chart of account is RECH, customer account group blank, account assignment group for material blank, account key ERL. So I will tell you what exactly it means. The same combinations you would be able to see in VKOA. Okay, so if you double click on this will give you the same combination. You can see chart of account, sales organization, account assignment, again account assignment for material, and then account key, and this is where you will be able to provide your revenue GL account. Right, this will remain same. This V and COFI will remain same. All these things you have to maintain according to your own scenario. Okay, this is all the details like chart of account, sales org, account assignment category, account key. But if you don't want to go into that much detail, then you can go for the other ones where you will say, I want to maintain only at this level. So you can see the fields will keep on decreasing. Okay, every time if I go, you can see just the sales organization, chart of account, and GL account. So it totally depends upon your company. This will be decided by your customer at what level they want to determine the GL account, whether there will be the single GL account at the sales organization level, or there will be the separate GL account for each type of transactions. That has to be determined at the time of when you are implementing the system. And your financial consultant normally will be able to trigger this requirement. He will be providing you the GLs, and you have to map this GLs here, or the other way around. You have to provide him the keys. You have to provide him at what level the GLs should be determined. He will go manually and enter those GLs in this transaction. So this is a joint responsibility between SD and FI to provide these GLs. GL code will be provided by FI, but this maintenance is a joint responsibility because FI doesn't knows which transaction keys you are using. FI doesn't knows what exactly the meaning of the account key. So all these things are the joint responsibility. In my case, what I'll do is I will copy this, okay, and I'll tell the system that, as I told you, this two will remain same. V and COFI will remain same. Our chart of account is RECH, that you can very clearly see here also. Our chart of account is RECH, our sales organization is RECH. These two are blank, and our account key is ERL. So same thing I am maintaining here. Okay, so chart of account RECH, sales organization also RECH. Okay, and here I am saying blank. Here I am saying blank. All these two categories I am saying blank. And account key ERL, and this is where I will assign the GL account. Who will provide you this GL account? It would be finance. So within finance,
Sorry,
the GL account,
Screen is freezed, Mr. Vikram.
please. From when?
After sales organization, you mentioned RECH in sales organization. After that blank, no, we can't see that it is stuck there.
Okay, all of you are not able to see?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
At the same page.
okay, let me share it once again. Yeah, are you able to see now?
Yes.
Is it moving? Moving now?
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So here I need to provide the GL account, revenue GL account that will be you will be getting from the accounts team. Okay, so let me see if there is any GL account related to revenue is created or not. If it is not created, we have to create one at our company code. So our company code is RECH, and I cannot see any revenue account created here. You can see these are asset accounts, these are bank accounts, these are AR, okay, these are stock accounts, these are expenses, but I cannot see any GL created for revenue. So simply I have to create one GL account, okay, which, as I told you, in your case, you will be checking with your FI counterpart. So I'll go to FS00, and here I'll click on new. In my case, my revenue accounts are starting with 3000. I already given you the video for chart of account. You can define what numbers you want to provide to your revenues. Okay, this would be, I'm keeping it as non-operating expense or income. Account group, I'm keeping it as revenue. And this is just my revenue account. I'm just entering the mandatory part, control data, nothing. Create bank interest tab. Here I'm maintaining G029, which is for the revenue accounts. G029 is for revenue accounts. That's it. Just save it. Now this GL I will assign to the account determination. So I will go here and I will tell the system that automatically determines this GL account whenever the posting is being made. Okay, let's press enter. Try to save it. And now if you try to proceed with your sales order and billing document, which means now see the billing document is already generated, but system was not able to determine the account, and that is the reason system was not able to generate the accounting document. See, if the accounting document is generated, then you can click on this and system will be able to show you the accounting document. In our case, it is saying the journal entry has not yet been created, which means the FI document was not able to be posted. So in order to post the FI document, what you need to do is you need to be in the change mode, and there is a flag, release to accounting. You have to click on this flag. This will again try to post the values in accounting. Let's try clicking on this. Again, if you are getting this warning, just press enter, another enter. Okay, and again you can see even now also we are getting the same error in the account determination. So system is still not able to determine the GL account. Okay, let's see why. If I press enter again, go to environment, go to account determination analysis for revenue account, and let me see what exactly is stopping the system to determine the GL account. Sorry, someone has changed this. You can see it is not Kofi, it is Yofi in our case. Oh, no, sorry, just give me a minute. So let me double click. Just give me a minute. Let me go to the account determination. So let me go to VKOA, and in VKOA, let me see. The one that we maintained just now, it is V Kofi. Chart of accounts is RECH. Let me just copy this. Let me take this Yofi. Okay, what error we are getting, according to that I'm just configuring. Save it, and then you go to your billing document once again and try to release it. Okay, press enter, another enter. Still it is showing the same thing. Let's see again. Environment, account determination analysis, revenue. So why system is not able to determine? Okay, I'm just trying this. Let me go to the specific one. Okay, which means at the account key level itself. Let me copy this Yofi. My chart of account is RECH. Sales organization is also RECH. Account key in my case is ERL. And let me provide the GL account here, the one that we created. Okay, let's try to save it now. Let me come completely out and try to do this once again. Okay, so VF02 to change the sales billing document, click on release 1, 2. Still it is stucking to the determination analysis. The last one that I configured is this one.
Zero two zero and 030.
No, these are the steps. 020 and 030 are the access sequence.
Yes, and we are not doing it in access sequence. In
No, this
VQA,
is Mhm.
go to VQA.
Okay. Sorry, VKOA.
Yeah, there is a 20 tab. In the tab, there is 20. Can we do it here? No.
Let's try. So I'm just copying this. It is asking for Yofi, right?
Yes.
This is RECH. Account key in our case is ERL. Company code is RECH. Let me remove this. We don't need this. And this is in our case 3000. And this is also 300. Sorry, I'm just keeping blank. I don't think this is relevant, but let's try.
It's relevant. I thought it's like that.
No, it's same. So because even if you see here, if I go with account determination analysis and revenue, you can see it is 20, 30, 40, 50. So it is not that one that we are looking at, right? Okay, no problem. Let me check and I will come back to you on this one. So maybe what we were about to discuss today, let me come to that point. This revenue is fine because from the billing point of view, we have completed the entire cycle. Accounting is definitely generated, and once the accounting is generated, it will go to the accounts team and they are responsible to collect the payments from the customer and they will be booking the payment in the system. So from SD point of view, just remember the cycle. From where we started off with creation of sales order. Okay, after the sales order, we have performed the delivery. Within the delivery, we started off with picking first. Okay, after the picking, we have done PGI. So which is again part of delivery. Within delivery, we have done the PGI. And after the PGI, we have executed the billing. Now, this billing should be also included in our document flow. So if I go to VA03, okay, and if I just click on this order number, you will be able to see the document flow. In the document flow, you can see the invoice is also created. Okay, you can clearly see that invoice is created with account determination error. If the account determination error is not there, from here itself, again, I can go to the display document, and from the display document, I can click on the accounting to see the accounting information. But in this case, because the accounting document is not created, I am not able to see the accounting view